Hey guys, Larry here. Welcome to another unboxing. So, we're just going to go ahead and jump in and get this thing open. So, I've been waiting for this package for almost a week now. I got lost in well, not really lost, but somehow ended up in the wrong area and just not, I don't know. So, and of course, here's the Cube Depot card. Just like the other ones. I have the other ones somewhere else. So, but, I've been waiting for this type of puzzle. Cannot wait for this. Alright, let's see here. What is going on? Alright. Nothing in there? Nope. Okay. So here it is. The Shengshao Master Kilomorphics. Or Kilominx. Kilomorphics. What is this? Ah. Stickers. I love that. That is awesome. So, nothing else in there. So this is the 4x4 version of this puzzle. So, I saw that MF8 came out with this a while ago, and it was pricey. It was, I don't know, it was a few dollars more than what I paid for this, but there was a problem with the centerpieces that would pop off. So, plastic bag, we don't need that. And so I, wanted it, but then I, didn't really want to. Yeah, just like all the others. Just like all the other MF or Shengshao puzzles, they are drenched in lube. So, all right, this is a beast of a puzzle. I should have. Oh. I saw something else on there. Oh, it was just, okay. But, it's greasy. So, here, let's adjust the camera a bit more. Hold on. Okay. So, I wanted to get the, oh, that turns so good. Oh. So nice. Anyways, I want to do some size comparisons. I have my fan on, that's why that's like that. So, here this is. Sorry about the lighting. It's daylight. I just wanted to get... Yeah, whatever. So, we'll actually... Oh. We'll do it like that, so that way you can actually see it. So, here's the Kilominx, or the 2x2 Mega Minx from Shengshao. So, yeah. And then the X-Men Galaxy Mega Minx. And then next to it, here is my Cube for You Terraminx, or Gigaminx, sorry. So, it's just a little bit smaller in size. So, not that bad, not that big. And I would bring out the, might as well bring out the rest of the family, and, here's my, Terraminx. So, yeah. But, like I said, I've been waiting for this puzzle, not only to come out and, when I first saw that this was out, I had to get it. But actually, for it to be delivered. So, but yeah, I don't know if there's any parodies. I think there are parodies that you can get with this. I don't know them. I don't know the solutions. I'm going to try and solve it myself first. And yeah. Now I gotta get my next one I want to try and get is the Shangshao Gigaminx to replace my Cube for You one, because that is so hard to turn. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a sole video of this because it is so much bigger than any of my other puzzles. Sorry, gotta get above the camera. So yeah. Alright, so that's about it for this puzzle. That's cool that they gave me stickers as well. So, yeah, there's the card and the stickers. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box down below. God, what am I? Don't forget to check the description and down below for the links to our various social media sites: Facebook, Twitter, Google+. And yeah, for Sassy Monk Productions, I'm Larry, and I keep forgetting my lines. But thank you guys for watching. Here, let's get that framed better. There we go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.